Hello, I'm Dora, and this is my vlog. Today, I'm at IKEA, which I think is gonna be the smallest IKEA I ever seen before. Maybe it's the smallest in the world. It's really small. So you come in here, and these are some snacks and some candy. I'm going to buy this hot dog, and I'm gonna line up here. It's pretty cheap. It's like 15 baht for one, which is like 3 yuan. I think it's cheap. There's no place for us to sit here, so after we buy this, we're gonna go outside and sit on these long chairs and eat it. 2 hot dogs and 2 ice cream.
2 hot dogs, 2 ice cream. Anything else?
No. Oh wait. It's hard to push. It's really hard to push it. Oh, this one worked for one time. I don't know why. Okay. So now we're gonna go outside and then eat these. There's a lot of candies here, different types. I bet the rainbow one is gonna be the most sour one, because usually the rainbow one is sour. Usually. Oh, we're gonna eat it here. Tastes so bad. It's not what I thought it's gonna taste like. It's like soy milk. Right, it's soy milk flavor. I thought it's gonna be milk. It's weird when ice cream tastes like soy milk. I don't know why. Anyways, I hope this one's gonna be better. This one's so much better. So for me, in my own opinion, so like I don't actually recommend the soy milk one, the soy milk ice cream, but if you actually like soy milk, of course you might like it. But for me, I don't like it that much. And for a hot dog, I feel like it's quite good. Like the bread is soft and the sausage is also good. And yeah, it's just really good. So now we're going upstairs to buy things. What is this? Do you have membership?
No.
So they just said that you need to like sign in for membership, and the membership is free. And if you sign up for membership, you can do that for free. And my dad is signing up right now. So after you sign up for the membership, you can just like do this. So I think they're gonna give out some of these like decorate things and some towers and maybe some chairs. So after my dad signed up for it, I'm gonna try to do it. I hope I'm lucky today. So after you sign up, they will give you something like this. And then if you buy like more than 500, you can spend that for free one time. Oh, okay. I think this area is for furniture. I remember like in China, the IKEA in China, like it's like so much bigger, and for like the place you eat, it's not like just like as small as the snack shop under. It's like really big. Like the whole floor is for this, like for lunch, and it's a good view when you look out from the window. So cold. I should have brought a jacket.
You can pick up your purchase directly from the store.
I want to buy this. I feel like it's actually comfortable. Maybe when I want to when I want to read, or maybe when I want to play games, I can just lay on here, right? And then I can just throw myself up, and then I can just play here. Okay, here. From here to here. Okay, way too long. So for China, like everything's piled up together, so you know what's for sale. But for here, like it's one room. It's like a lot of rooms. You need to go in these rooms and then look for what you want. It's like these things you can't see outside from there. You have to come in. I only want the blue one. I only want the blue one. I want to buy like a big box. Like I can put things in there, like the things that is not really useful, but I like it, so I'm gonna put it in there. This is too big and too heavy. Yeah, I think this one's good. Yeah, this one. Maybe this one. This one's good though. I'm thinking of this is okay too. But maybe that one is better because this is like only like one box, and I don't have a thing like on it. It's gonna be dirty like really quick. I'm thinking about this one or this one. Let me think. I want to buy this one. This one is more useful because it can put like different types of things. Like for here, I can put like maybe like my car, this place, maybe my cars. This place, maybe like some books. This place, maybe some pen, and this place, but I can put things here. Maybe this one. Shark, baby shark, doo 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 doo, baby shark, doo 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 doo, baby shark, doo 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 doo, baby shark. Mommy shark, doo 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 doo, mommy shark, doo doo doo, mommy shark, doo doo doo, mommy shark. Now we're going that way. Maybe there's some more things there. I don't know.
ลูกค้าอีเกียยินดีต้อนรับลูกค้าสู่อีเกียเชียงใหม่เชิญเยี่ยมชมโชว์รูมที่เต็มไปด้วยแรงบันดาลใจ
These dogs so big.
เป็นบ้านของOctopus.
There's not much types of toys here or dolls because like I only saw like 4 types. One is panda, one is octopus, and one is what? Oh, dog. But only like a yellow dog. I think here's where they buy furniture, so I don't think I need to come here. But I'm just gonna walk through. Anyway, this IKEA is so small, like so you can go that way around like a circle, and you go that way around like a circle. That is even smaller than that, so it's really tiny here. But like for the Shanghai one, it's really big. There's even like for like 1 floor for restaurant. Okay. Oh, can I scan it? I like to scan things. Okay, so where is it? Oh my god. It's so fun. Okay. That's it, right? Okay. Now we're going back. I only bought like 2 things today, but I only want 2 things. Now I bought everything that I want, and I'm going